Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers and my dear students. How are you? Hope that you'll be doing well. Uh, Straight away to studies and lecture about lines, angles and shapes. Well students, in the last lecture, I in I inadvertently committed a mistake. Uh, I don't know how it happened, but I mentioned it in my comments of that very lecture that x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Okay, this is fine. And I told you that these x plus y, when we hide one side of this, x plus y are complementary angles. So this is wrong statement. These are not complementary angles, these are supplementary angles. Please correct the mistakes. Uh, these are supplementary angles when the sum of two angle is equal to 180 degree. Sum of two angle is equal to 180 degree, then these are called supplementary angles. And A plus B are also supplementary angles. Okay, supplementary angles, not complementary angles. I have in all the examples I have told you complementary angles, which is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. Complementary angles consist of 90 degrees. Let me tell you that complementary angle is this: when x and y, x plus y is equal to 90 degree. When x plus y is equal to 90 degree, then these are said to be complementary degree. These are supplementary angles because they come up with 180 degree. These are also supplementary angles and these are also supplementary angles. Let's start the fresh exercise, and that is using angle relationship to find the unknown angles. It is very simple, my dear students. Let's get started. We can find unknown angles by using the angle relationship format. How it can be possible? So suppose that this is a line, so you know that this is a 180 line, 180 degree line, and if this angle is given 60 degree, and you have to find this angle x, then of course when one angle is given, the whole angles are 180 degree, you have to find the x. So x is equal to 180 minus 60 degree. So x is equal to 120 degree. So this was simple. This was an example of supplementary angle. So you see that supplementary angle consists of two angles, which when added gives us 180 degree angle. So the angle which is known and the angle which is unknown is written over here. So we come up with 120 degree. So similarly, there are worked examples, a few worked examples which we'll be doing today. So now, dear students, you can see three figures on the whiteboard, and we'll be discussing one by one all of them. Number one thing that I must tell you, that when you see this sign, like this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, this indicates a perpendicular sign, or it is a 90-degree sign. Okay, all these signs indicates that this is a 90 degree. So there is no need to write 90 degree when this sign is mentioned on the figure. So this sign is what? 90 degree in all of these situations. Okay, now we'll discuss figure A first of all. Now what we have to find is angle X in this figure. We are not concerned with all of the figure. Anyway, it is a square because you see that one line, and one line represent that all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal, and this sign represent that this is uh, right angle, so it forms a square. When all the angles are right angle and all sides are equal, then it represents a square. Now what we have to find is this x angle, this angle x. Now you see that this is a right angle, and x plus 72 gives us what? Gives us 90 degree. So what is it? A complementary angle. Complementary angle. Okay. Now it is right. Complementary angle. When two angles are added together, they are constitute a complementary angle. I am very much conscious now. So x plus 72 degree. Now these both are degrees is equal to 90 degree, because this is a complementary angle. These are the complementary angle. So what we do, x is equal to 90 minus 72. This is the simple algebraic way to find when you have a right hand side and a left hand side. You can just bring any of the thing over here by changing its sign. So what does it become? 90 minus 72. 90 minus 72 is like this. Okay, 8 and 1, 18. So it is 18 degrees and 18 degree. Now the angle x is 18 degree over here. Angle x is 18 degree over here. Now this 48, and you see that the same sign is appearing here too. The same sign, which means it is 90 degree. So it is 90 degree, and we have to find x over here. So it is a piece of cake again. All these angles constitute 180 degree. When angle constitute 180 degree, that means they are supplementary angles now. So what we do is x plus 90, you can write degrees also, plus 48 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now these are all the three angles, x which is unknown and the two angles which are known to us. We'll simply add these two angles. Now it will become x plus 138 degree is equal to, okay. So using same algebraic rule over here, x degree is equal to 180 minus 138 degree. 180, 138. Okay. 180 minus 138 is equal to 2 and 7, 42 degree. Now x is equal to 42 degree. X over here is 42 degree. The last, it is very easy, no need of calculating, because you see that there are two lines. There are two lines AB and CD which are intersecting each other at one common point, and there are a pair of angles. Two pairs of angles is formed. One is this pair and other is this pair. So this pair is not shown to us and not been asked to us. So even if it was asked, let it be y. So this y would have been equal to this y. So this x is equal to 30 degree. So x is equal to 30 degree. This was very simple. X is equal to 30 degree. So my dear students, these were the worked examples which were given in your book, and you know that we are this book. We are doing this book, and we are at chapter 3, and today we may start exercise 3.3. So let's start the exercise now. Well, students, we are going to start exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3, and this is question number 1. How many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. So a figure is given. Now these are all angles: A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Okay, these are all angles, and you know I told you about this sign. This is the sign for perpendicular angle or right angle. Now, first of all, in part A, we have to find a pair of complementary angles. We have to find the pair of complementary angles. The pair of complementary angles are, now, dear students, in the part A, what is asked to us is a pair of complementary angles. In fact, there is not one pair, there may be several pairs in this diagram. So let us find what are the complementary angles in this. Now you see that this is 90 degree. EBC is 90 degree, and complementary angles consist of 90 degree when added together. So there is an angle CBF or FBC, you can call it by any name. EBC, EBF. Now CBF and EBF are are the pairs which constitute 90 degree when added together. Now let me write here the answer of A. The answer of A is CBF angle CBF and EBF or FBE. CEBF, EBF. Now, as I told you that there may be several answers to this first part. Now you can see at this side, at left side, that ABE is also 90 degree. Since this is 90 degree, therefore this has to be 90 degree. Now this is also 90 degree. So there is another pair ABD, ABD and angle ABD and angle BDE and angle DBE are complementary angles. Now these are complementary angles. Now this is complementary angle and this is complementary angles. These are complementary angles because when they are added together gives us 90 degree. Now this is again complementary angles because when these are added together they gives us 90 degree. So number 2. Number 2 is a pair of equal angles. A pair of equal angles. Where is the pair of? I just told you when this sign appears, that means the angle on its left hand side is also 90 degree because this is 90 degree and this is 180 degree. So this is 180 degree and 90 minus out of it is 90 again. So this CBE CBE, CBE, CBE is one pair, ABE and ABE are equal angles. Now there are more equal angles. If you can see them, you can see that this line and this line are intersecting each other at this point, point B. Line DG is intersecting line AC at common point B. Now what is happening over here, that a pair of angles is formed. A pair of angles is formed. Two pairs of angles are formed when the line cuts each other. So there are two pair again. Now this is one pair and this is the other pair. Now this is ABD. This is still part B. Still part B. ABD, angle ABD is equal to CBG. Now these are all angles. If I don't write, never mind, these are angles because we are studying angles. There must be another pair also. Now you can see that CBD, CBD and ABG. CBD is equal to ABG. ABG, because these are also vertically opposite angles. When this is vertically opposite, these two angles are vertically opposite. Let me mark that angles. Now this is vertically opposite and this is vertically opposite. Okay, so these are equal, these are equal. This 90 degree is equal to this 90 degree. So there are three angles I have found. There may be many more. Maybe it is not hard and fast that there are angles, but I think there are only three. Now part 3. So part C, a pair of supplementary angles. A pair of supplementary angles. Now this is a pair of supplementary angle number 1. Now this is B, answer A, answer B. This is also answer A. So I am going to write answer C now. Answer C. C. A pair of number 1 is CBE. CBE and EBA. CBE and EBA or ABE. Let me write EBA. Now if you see these angles, these angle when added together will give us 180 degree. Number 1 is CBE 90 degree. Now this is 90 degree, and EBA is again 90 degree. So when 90 plus 90, that is 180 degree. Therefore these are supplementary angles. These are supplementary angles. Now there are more. You see that this angle CBF, FBD, EBD and DBA also constitute all these four angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let me write them in W, X, Y, Z. Now all these angles W, X, Y, Z also constitute these angles. Now this is RG. Well, we have to find a pair. Now, since these are also W, X, Y, Z are all, also constitute 180 degree, but this is not the pair. These are actually four angles. So we don't write them. Now you see that there is also one angle in this direction, ABG and GBC. ABG plus CBG. Okay, CBF, CBF plus CBF and FBA, FBA. So there are lot of four angles. This is CBD. I have very less space left now. CBD, CBD, CBD and DBA, DBA are again 90 degree, 180 degree. So these are all pairs. There are six pairs, 6 to 8 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are in fact 9 pairs of angles which are which constitute 180 degree. So I've written only 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs. So there are in fact 9 pairs. You can find them by yourself. The angles on the line DG. The angles on the line DG. Now we have to find part D. Let it start from part D over here. The angles on line DG. Where is line DG? This is line DG. I have already erased it. The angles on line DG. There are many angles on line DG. Now this is line DG. So there is angle DBE, DBE, DBF, DBF, DBC, DBC, DBG is also an angle, DBG, and now start from here, EBF, EBF, FBC, FBC, CBG. These all are angles, and there are many more. If you now these two are done, start from here, EBC, CBG, CBG, and there are many more angles. Okay, the complementary angle of EBF. Part E, the complementary angle of EBF. Where is EBF? EBF. Now we have to find the complementary angle of EBF. EBF, the complementary of EBF is FBC. Part is E. Part is E. The complementary angle of EBF is FBC. Is FBC. Angle FBC. Because angle FBC and angle EBF constitute this angle, which is 90 degree, which is CBE. Okay, or you can say that the supplementary angle EBF is X is W. Okay, FBC, or it is W, but this is not given in your book, so I have written FBC. FBC. The last, the supplementary angle of EBC. EBC. The supplementary angle of EBC is EBA. The supplementary angle of F, the answer of F is EBA. Angle EBA. So these were very easy question, and we have done it. In fact, I have left some of the parts from this like this. There are many more angles, and you can find it by yourself. So my dear students, I hope the time is over, and there are still uh, 4 questions left in this exercise. We'll be doing it in our next lecture. So it's time to say you goodbye. Allah Hafiz.